So just a few minutes ago, I only had 320 megs left on my whole hard drive out of 500 gigs. The problem is that I'm a heavy Final Cut Pro user, and when you use Final Cut Pro and you create movies, it creates what are called render files, and we can delete those files and free a lot of space without affecting the projects that you created. So there's three ways to do this. The first way to do it is just to go inside a project itself. You go to File, and then you go to Delete Generated Project Files, and see you have three choices. You can delete render files, delete optimized media, and delete proxy media. If you want to delete the render files, you check and then you click on OK. I'm not going to do it because I did it right before. Or you can choose an event. So you can go in the list of all the events, you click on an event, and you do the same thing. All right, you go to File. Now you have Delete Generated Event Files, and it's going to bring you to a similar page where you can choose what you want to delete. And lastly, you can choose a library. And with the library, well, you do the exact same process, but at the library level. So if you choose the library, you go to File, and let me do it again. Yep. Oh, there you go. Right there, delete generated library files, and it's the same thing. And that's the choice that I chose. That's what I chose a few minutes ago. And if you look at my hard drive now, I have 117 gigs that are free. And before that, I only had 320 somewhat megs available. Right, so it's an easy, rapid way to free space on your computer, especially if you're using Final Cut Pro, because you'll see after a few projects, your hard drive can fill up very quickly.